Metaverse. Virtual reality, augmented reality, and now mixed reality. What is the future of these technologies? Now, let me give you an anecdote here that let's say I want to go to a theme park. And I want to go and enjoy the rides in the theme park. What if I told you that I will give you some gears to hold in your hands and I will give you smart glasses to wear, and then with those you can get a full experience of theme park. So wherever the ride would turn and wherever the water would sprinkle upon you or wherever an animal would come in front of you, all of those things can be seen through mixed reality. This is the future of Metaverse, and exactly you will be able to sit in one place in a studio and experience everything that happens in this world or any planets also nearby. Now, let's take an example that someone wants to do a meeting. There is a customer sitting there in the US and I'm here in India and I want to interact with that customer. And what if I get the same experience as that of in-person meeting? Today, we all have to travel all the time. People like me who have to go and meet customers, who have to go and meet partners and vendors and investors. If I don't have to travel 3-4 years from now, I will be just wearing smart glasses. I will sit here in my office, someone would sit in their office and it would appear that we are in a meeting room. We are in front of each other and there would be other hardware equipments which would also make us feel that we are very close to each other. Whatever feelings we get when we are in front of each other, the aura we can feel or the perfume of a person you can feel, all of that can be felt sitting few thousand kilometers apart. That is where the Metaverse is going to take us, and it will solve all the congestion problem. Today the aviation congestion is there or road traffic congestion is there. So all the congestion that we have is because people are forced to travel from one place to another to meet each other. That won't be required. You may not be required to go and see those mountains of New Zealand or those mountains in the Alps, because you will be able to sit in India and sit in one place and experience those using the mixed reality glasses. That is going to be an amazing future. The world is going to be so beautiful because people who have nothing to do, they will sit in one place and do everything that they can do in this world and at a fraction of the cost. So let us embrace technology and transform the world.